Introducing the 2020 Volvo Xc90 8 Twin-N PHEV INSAT 5-door auto in sleek black. This stunning MPV is loaded with luxury features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. With ABS, lane departure warning, and trailer stability program, you'll always feel safe on the road. Plus, enjoy convenience with remote boot release, hands-free boot release, and more. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can trust in the quality of this vehicle. For more information, call us or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Drive in style and safety with the Volvo Xc90 T8 today.